Transport of dangerous goods by air. The reference document dealing with the safety of air transport of hazardous material is ICAO Annex 18. Products or materials are considered to be dangerous goods if defined as such by the ICAO document entitled Technical Instructions for the Safe Transport of Dangerous Goods by Air, ICAO Doc 9284. It contains a list of dangerous goods which may not be transported by air, the information concerning dangerous goods that passengers may carry. In compliance with Part CAT and ICAO Annex 18, in order to carry dangerous goods on board, a public transport aircraft must be accompanied with a transport document for dangerous goods. In addition to the languages required by the state of origin, the marking related to dangerous goods must be set out in English language. Fire extinguisher, portable oxygen supplies and first aid kits required to be on the aircraft for operating reasons are classified as dangerous goods. The dangerous goods transport document, if required, shall be drawn up by the shipper. The authorization for the transport of hazardous material is specified on the air carrier certificate. The general information, instructions and recommendations on the transport of hazardous goods are specified in the operations manual. Assuming that the operator is approved by EASA, carriage of dangerous goods is allowed, provided that the airline is approved to and complies with the technical instructions. In the Hazardous Material Transportation Act, the freight compliance with the regulatory arrangements is the responsibility of the sender. The shipper, when completing the shipper's declaration for dangerous goods, is responsible for assuring that the air transportation of an item of dangerous goods is not prohibited. The Dangerous Goods Regulation ICAO Annex 18 and Part CAT require that, when delivering cargo for transport, the responsibility for compliance with the regulations are to the sender. Packages are labelled to indicate the hazards the contents present in transport. In addition, other labels may specify handling conditions. Hazard labels convey information by colour and symbol. They are diamond-shaped with minimum dimensions of 100 by 100 mm. Packages may have more than one hazard label when there are different dangerous goods of different primary hazards in one package, or the one item of dangerous goods has a primary hazard and one or more subsidiary risks. The primary hazard is identified by the label bearing the class or division number in the bottom corner. Subsidiary risk labels do not show any class or division number. If a packet is marked with the label shown, it is a toxic material. For the two labels represented, principal and secondary risks respectively indicate a toxic substance. Considering the two holds of an aircraft, each one consists of 4 compartments to accommodate freight pallets or luggage containers. You're asked to load, for example, 2 pallets of live animals marked AVI, 2 luggage containers marked BAG, 1 mortal remains marked HUME, 1 pallet of food product marked EAT, 1 pallet of radioactive material marked RRY, 1 pallet of toxic material marked RHF. The locations still vacant shall be marked XXX. According to tables of compatibility of special freight and hazardous material, the most operational distribution in the hold could be, in hold 1, baggage, then toxic material, then human remains, then radioactive material. In hold 2, live animals, and separating the food products,